Food justice is a term that's used to say that people have the right to grow their own food, to produce that food if they like for their families and for other communities, or to sell or trade that food as a way of life. We can bring more people into the conversation by making the translation from a conversation that's really kind of over people's heads, talking about systems and commodities and things like that. People understand what's on the dinner plate, and they understand the impact of that dinner plate on their physical health. And so what we can help do is to make that translation so people see their role in the food system. IATP can play a number of roles. One is to bring the resources to the table where IATP has done research and better understands the impact of the food system on people and the environment. The second opportunity for IATP is to actually create that network among community leaders, farmers, and farm workers, so that now they can now come together and identify places where they can improve the public policies that have negatively impacted their lives from the food system. IATP can also play a role in changing the narrative around the American food system. We have to begin to tell the story around the food system that includes everyone, which means that we have to tell the story of a food system that's really based and built upon the backs of people who don't have a lot of rights or a lot of access to the public policies, or in fact may be invisible to our public policy infrastructure. What we want to do is to create a narrative that everyone can understand, that explores the relationship by those people who have faced inequities as a result of the food system, and how they can now be empowered to change the food system that they work in or live under.